Hey creators, welcome. Ever wondered how people get that cool effect where text appears behind them in a video? Well, today I'm showing you how to do the text behind object effect using CapCut. Super easy and beginner friendly. Let's get into it. So first, open CapCut on your phone. I use my phone and tap on the add text icon. For this example, I'm using "This is Viv" as my text. Pick a font that suits your vibe. I chose Rubik, but you can experiment with others too. Edit the text, style it however you like, and adjust the duration to fit your video. Once done, export this clip. This will be your text video. Next, create a new project and import two clips, one with the text and one without the text. Tap the clip without text, then hit overlay and align it perfectly over the clip with text. Tap on the clip, the one without text, and select Remove Background. I use the auto removal option, which isn't free, but you can use the custom background remover if you want a free method. It just takes a little bit more time. Once the background is removed, voila! Your text is now behind you, creating a smooth, layered look. So here's what mine turned out like. Simple, clean, and super cool. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more CapCut editing tutorials made easy. Okay, bye.